What is up, guys? Welcome back. Let's take a trip down memory lane. There was a time when connecting people wasn't just a slogan, it was a flex. It meant you had a Nokia in your pocket. You remember, right, the legendary Snake game, and a phone built like a tank. You could literally throw that thing at a wall, and the wall would break, but the phone. Not even a scratch. But guys, today's video is different. There is a rumor spreading like wildfire all over the internet right now. The claim, Nokia is planning a comeback with a smartphone that's going to make your living room TV obsolete. Yes, you heard that right. A Nokia Projector Phone. Imagine this. You place your phone on the table, and boom, you've got a 100-inch screen right in front of you. Is this actually possible? Is this just pure internet hype, or is it becoming a reality? Today, we are going to do a full autopsy of this viral news. If you've ever been a fan of the unkillable Nokia brick, hit that like button right now. Let's dive in. Design and build. First off, let's talk about the thing that's breaking the internet, the design. The renders we're seeing are absolutely mind-blowing. Forget the chunky bricks of the past, we are looking at an ultra-slim profile here. But the real magic is on the back, right above the camera setup. There sits a dedicated micro DLP projector lens. Looking at the design language, it's giving me major Lumia series vibes. It's got that boxy aesthetic, a premium metal frame, and that sleek matte finish. If this thing actually launches, holding it is going to make you feel like you're holding a straight-up James Bond gadget. The projector feature. Now, let's get to the star of the show, the projector. Leaks suggest this phone can project a screen size anywhere from 50 to 100 inches in HD quality. Now, that sounds fancy on paper, but think about the practical use cases for a second. You're in your dorm or on a camping trip. You kill the lights, and suddenly the wall becomes your private movie theater. Gaming. Why squint at a small screen while playing PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile? Cast that gameplay straight onto the wall. Work or school. Need to give a presentation in class. No need to hunt for an HDMI cable or a bulky projector. Pull out your phone, and you're good to go. The specs. Okay, boss, let's talk logic. To run a projector, you need raw power and a massive battery. Otherwise, this thing is going to die in 10 minutes flat. So, logically speaking, what kind of specs are we looking at under the hood? Battery. We're going to need at least a 7500 mAh battery. Nothing less. Paired with 100 watt or 120 watt fast charging, because let's be honest, projectors are absolute battery hogs. Processor. For heat management, we'd need the Snapdragon 8 Elite or higher, likely with a massive vapor cooling chamber to keep things from melting. Camera. It's Nokia, so we expect Zeiss optics. We're hearing rumors of a 200 megapixel main sensor that performs like a beast in low light. Display. When the projector is off, you're likely looking at a crisp 6.75-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Reality check. Alright, let's take a breath and get a reality check. Is Nokia actually launching this? Look, history is a great teacher. Years ago, Samsung launched the Galaxy Beam, a phone with a built-in projector. And it flopped hard. It was thick, it overheated, and the battery life was terrible. Nokia's parent company, HMD Global, has not made any official announcement yet. But technology has evolved. Batteries are better, processors are more efficient. If Nokia decides to take this risk, this phone could arguably shake up the entire smartphone market. Verdict. So guys, I want to know your honest opinion. Drop a comment down below. If Nokia actually releases this phone for around $600 to $700, would you buy it? Type yes or no. I'll be reading your comments. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel because we keep it real here, no fluff, just facts.